Have you ever traveled somewhere and thought, wow, that's so different, but then quickly thought, that's just weird? Today, let's unpack two key ideas in sociology: cultural relativism and ethnocentrism. How we see the world and how the world sees us. Cultural relativism means trying to understand another culture by its own standards, not by yours. You're putting on cultural glasses to see things from their point of view. In contrast, ethnocentrism means judging other cultures by your own standards, thinking your way is the best or only way. William Graham Sumner, a sociologist from the early 1900s, said ethnocentrism is a natural human tendency. We're so used to our own ways that we often think they're the only right ones. But this mindset can lead to prejudice and conflict, fueling stereotypes and even nationalism. Franz Boas, called the father of American anthropology, argued against that mindset. He said every culture has its own logic and meaning, and it can only be understood in its own context. That's cultural relativism, an invitation to be open-minded and curious, not just tolerant. Let's make this real. Say you're visiting Japan and someone offers you sushi. If you think, raw fish? No way. That's ethnocentrism talking, judging based on your own habits. But if you say, that's what they eat here, let's see how it tastes, you're practicing cultural relativism. Wedding customs are another great example. In the US, brides wear white. In India, red is the lucky color. In some African cultures, it's all about bright colors and beads. If you say, that's so strange, you're being ethnocentric. If you say, wow, everyone has their own beautiful way to celebrate, you're seeing the world through cultural relativism. Ethnocentrism isn't just about harmless weirdness. It can lead to real issues, like tourists disrespecting local customs or businesses ignoring local values. These misunderstandings can turn into big conflicts. Cultural relativism teaches us to ask, why do they do this? How does it work for them? It opens the door to empathy and real understanding. But cultural relativism has its limits too. What if a culture's practice violates human rights? Sociologists remind us, it doesn't mean we have to give up our own values. It just means we should try to understand before judging. Here's the quick recap. Ethnocentrism judges cultures by your own standards. Cultural relativism tries to understand cultures by their standards. Both ideas help us make sense of cultural clashes and global connections. Next time you see something that seems weird or wrong to you, stop and think, am I seeing this through my cultural lens, or am I trying to understand it from theirs? Culture makes the world colorful, and understanding it can make you a better global citizen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more sociology-themed Doodle videos, and share this video with other curious minds.